everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today I'm going to show you how to up the flavor game and add a little bit of depth to some of your favorite dishes by using one of my favorite culinary go-tos, a super simple, super flavorful, and super versatile infused oil. And I'm not just going to show you how to make one, I'm going to show you how to make three, because that's the type of show this is. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's take a minute to talk infused oils. Now, infused oils are amazing for a couple of reasons. One, they're really easy to make. Two, they're really flavorful, and they provide you with almost an unlimited amount of flavor combinations when it comes to flavor pairings. And three, they have a wide range of applications. Now I know what you're saying. You're saying, like, is it that easy just to put stuff in oil and have it taste better? And the answer is yes, it literally is that simple. However, you do need to keep two things in mind. One, oil has its own unique flavor, and so if you're going to mix stuff in it, you have to make sure that it actually will go with the oil that you want to use. And number two is you have to keep in mind the application you want to use it for. Certain oils like olive oil have a low smoke point, so if you want to fry in it, you can do that, but you have to be really careful not to burn the oil. And no worries, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get around that little snafu within the next couple minutes. Okay, so today we're going to be making three of my favorite infused oils, all with different flavor profiles and all with different types of oils for different applications. And here they are. Okay, so we're going to be making a garlic basil oil, which is one of my favorite oils to use. It is great for anything that you don't have to have a high amount of heat for, so coating pastas, dipping bread, stuff like that. It's amazing. Okay, so we're also going to make a Sriracha Chile Oil. Now this oil is hot. And I mean hot. And I actually even use pure vegetable oil so that you can actually fry stuff in it as well. So you can cook steaks in it, you can cook chicken in it, if you're that type of person that likes a little bit of extra heat. Okay, and we're also going to be making a lemon fennel saffron oil. Now, this has a lot of applications specifically for seafood. Now, I actually did a blend of oils, so I used vegetable oil and olive oil, mainly because I wanted the flavor from the olive oil, but also because I wanted the high smoke point of the vegetable oil. So what I did was I combined them, so now I have the flavor of the olive oil and the high smoke point of the vegetable oil. And that's the way to get around that little snafu of being able to fry an olive oil. And as always, if you enjoyed this week's episode, feel free to give it a like and also to share it, because it really does help this show grow immensely by helping it reach a broader audience. And also, if you're a real fan of the show, hit that subscribe button so you can be kept up to date with all my current episodes. Okay, so who's ready to go on the roller coaster ride of infused oil making? I know I am. Let's do it. that's Infused Oil Making 101, the simplest culinary thing ever, putting stuff into oil and making that oil taste better. Okay, and if you're interested in actual applications of this oil, I'm actually going to have an episode on Friday called Oli Olio, where I'm actually going to use the garlic infused basil oil. And it's like literally the easiest pasta dish ever. You're going to love it.